Do you ever feel one bad day away from breaking down? Like you're just trying to keep your head above water? What if I told you mental resilience isn't a genetic lottery, but a skill you can learn, and that you can build a foundation for it in just 1 week? These are 5 science-backed habits that will rewire the way you think. Stick with me for a 7-day challenge to forge a mentally unbreakable you. Fact number 1. Your brain needs you to do hard things. Our world is built for comfort, but comfort makes our minds soft. Neuroscientists teach that deliberately choosing to do difficult things builds resilience. You're teaching your brain that discomfort isn't a signal to panic. It's a signal to focus. Your challenge for day 1 is to embrace the cold. Take a cold shower for just 30 seconds. Your body will scream and oh, but your job is to breathe and stay calm. You're learning to master the moment. Fact number 2. You are the narrator, not the story. Your brain will serve up negative thoughts. That's its job. But you don't have to believe them. An unbreakable mind treats thoughts like suggestions, not commands. You have the power to observe a thought and choose your reaction. Your challenge for day 2 is to notice the story, then write a better one. When you feel anxiety or self-doubt, ask, what story am I telling myself? Then challenge it. If you think, I can't handle this, respond with, this is tough, but I'll handle it one step at a time. Fact number 3. Your focus is a superpower, so stop wasting it. We waste so much energy on things we can't control. The ancient Stoics taught the dichotomy of control. Your peace of mind depends on focusing only on what you can control, your actions, your effort, your mindset. Your challenge for day 3 is to live inside your circle. Draw 2 circles. In the outer one, list your worries you can't control. In the inner circle, write the one thing you can control for each worry. For the rest of the week, live in that inner circle. We're halfway through. If this is clicking for you, hit that like button to help this video find others who need it. Which of these first 3 facts hit you the hardest? Drop in the comments. Now let's get back to it. Fact number 4. Gratitude isn't a soft skill. It's a strategic advantage. It's the direct antidote to your brain's negativity bias. Practicing gratitude retrains your brain to scan for what's working instead of what's broken. Your challenge for day 4 is to build your gratitude armor. Every night, write down 2 things. First, I am grateful for, and list 3 specific things. Second, I acknowledge myself for, and list 1 thing you did that you respect yourself for. This builds perspective and self-respect. Fact number 5. Your body and brain are a team. You can't build an unbreakable mind in a broken down body. Your mental state is directly impacted by how you move, rest, and fuel your body. Your challenge for days 5, 6, and 7 is to honor your foundation. 1. Get 20 minutes of physical activity. A brisk walk is perfect. 2. Rest, prioritize at least 7 hours of sleep. 3. Fuel at each meal, add 1 consciously healthy choice. So there you have it, a 7-day challenge. Do hard things, narrate your story, focus on your control, practice gratitude, and honor your body. This isn't a magic pill, but you will have planted the seeds and proven to yourself that you have the tools. Mental toughness is a practice, not a destination. The person you'll be a year from now will thank you for starting today. The challenge is on the table. If you're ready, hit subscribe and share this video with 1 person who needs it. Now, the most important part. Declare in the comments below, I accept the challenge. Let me know which habit you're starting. Now, stop watching and start doing. Also subscribe to the channel. Subscribing keeps you consistent. It keeps you accountable. It keeps you growing with a community that wants the same success you do. So go ahead, subscribe now, join our community, and let's continue this journey together.